I'm an awesome force of nature. Watch me be a tornado. Now I'm an earthquake. Oh, the camera's There are also animals in nature. Some of them are kind of scary. Now I'm gonna show you some rain. See, it's so powerful. Destroy you. Boom. Now the rain stopped and everybody's sunny again. There are also volcanoes. Boom, 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 boom. See, they can even damage the camera. There are also birds. There are also solar eclipses. See, here's the sun, and then the moon covers it. And now you can't see the sun. Wait. Now you can't see the sun. You can't see the sun. So the most powerful natural force of them all is dinosaurs. Luckily, there aren't any here anymore. Oh, there are some here! I did not mean to take this video. I know it's bad for your health, but it's still kind of good.